Hello and welcome! Today I'm finally getting back onto the Halftrack. I've spent tons of time working on it since the last video, but I just couldn't find the time to make another video about it. As always with these kind of projects, there's been an insane amount of little changes to make the overall product better, but I'm gonna name some of the bigger changes. I put on a ton more detail on the bodywork to make it more visually appealing. I took a lot of inspiration from the American M3 Halftrack. The gearbox has been completely reworked for a more controllable crawl and a more sensible top speed. I also changed how the tracks go together to make sure they're easier to replace if damaged. Pins now sit a bit looser in the track pieces and you simply burn one end of them a bit to make sure they don't pop out. This goes really fast with a 3D pen or a soldering iron, for example. There's also hidden cable passages for the front and rear lights, so you can install 3mm LEDs. I found this added a lot of visual appeal to my older truck version 3. Under the hood there's quite a lot of space for placing electronics or weights. I used quite big components, so I put them in the back compartment, but if you really wanted to, you could probably hide them under the trunk. A proper front bumper with a fake winch has been added, so it looks a bit more complete up front. I also designed a quick tank trailer with plastic leaf springs just for giggles. It's quite fun to drive around with. Besides putting some epoxy to help hold the two body parts together, I haven't done any finishing on this vehicle. I imagine it would look absolutely amazing with some plaster and a nice paint job, but I'm way too excited to move on to a new project, which I will hopefully share soon. I have decided to try releasing this on cult3d.com instead of the usual Thingiverse. Check the description for a link to the model if you want to download it. Hopefully you like this vehicle. It's been an insane amount of work to make, but it's also been a lot of fun to drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope to be back with more content soon. Bye.